Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we sell our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I hope so that I don't see the breaking news I dropped yesterday. They say Arsenal don't reach an agreement with Man City to sign Gabriel Jesus for £45 million. They agreed this agreement verbally. Now, our monitoring spirit that they call Fabrizio Romano. Now let us know this news. As I got this news around, I think it was after 9 in the night. As it just dropped out, I said no. I have to go live. So I went live on YouTube and I can update everybody, got share up on Facebook. Everybody got the updates. So even now, Fabrizio Romano let us know, say Arsenal and Gabriel Jesus agents don't already start talks for personal terms. And Gabriel Jesus' wife just born new bouncing baby, so he don't go fit for the talks. Now agents with Arsenal, as the agent Pettinati, with Arsenal hierarchy, Arsenal representatives, and then go discuss how much will be the salary, because when they say it will be like £264,000 per week. Some people say it will be like £220,000 per week. So we don't really know how much we Arsenal will really offer this guy. But in the coming days, everything will be clear about. What we will do is say the hardest part of the deal, they don't already agree, which is a fee with Man City. As they don't agree that one don't pass. So now the easiest one, now we just agree personal terms to get. So I don't say Jesus said go don't talk to personal to say see the amount I want, see the incentives I want, this and that. So once they discuss it after hierarchy, then in the coming days now, don't forget say that Ben Jacobs now first knock this story talk say in 7 or 10 days time Gabriel Jesus go dey completed. Some people say it's a lie, who is Ben Jacobs, this and that. And I don't say as the team they play, Ben Jacobs that senior man, don't forget to nobody Fabrizio Romano dey for town no. But anyway, super pundits they will know as things they saw. Even David Einstein said don't come as I they report the same story. Even Sky Sports said everybody they jump into this story for you to know say this story is here to stay. This story is 100% legit. No why you for here. And if my voice is out from I just get some kind of cold and have running nose. So I did on medication, I did pro cold and the rest. So I also by tomorrow my body go all day normal. I'm already just the falling day out for you. I'm looking from that side. I'm going to say Manchester United don't intensify their interest for Lisandro Martinez because them they don't fear. They know say if Arsenal finish for this Gabriel Jesus deal, if people say their eye will go turn enter that Lisandro Martinez phone, and Manchester United really wants the guy because they never really signed anybody, and Cristiano Ronaldo said don't be para. Say make them quickly sign all these players again, otherwise he will leave Manchester United. So that's what it will be. Well, more finish Gabriel Jesus though, we'll turn our attention to other people. So far so good. Arsenal now don't sign 4 players. They don't sign Marquinhos, they don't sign Matt Turner, now they don't sign Gabriel Jesus, they don't sign Fabio Vieira. So now 4 players, 4 good players where Arsenal don't sign now. I'm seeing great things happening. Just imagine say Arsenal can't sign these 4 players already. They can't sign Rafinha, they can't sign Yuri Tillemans, they can't sign Lisandro Martinez. Our first 11 don't transform be that. Our Benjamin will be men. As in, I see all this potential. As I see, and the team just make my belly in the streets because I'm very happy. More just the pray. Man, don't forget say a lot of time for this window. See, they'll sign like 6 or 7 players from the look of things, from what I'm seeing. Well, for the watchers things they turn out because I just did very happy. And I know see everybody they say, Arsenal, Koloke no go buy player, Koloke no go buy player. I also don't understand say money they no be say we no get money. Money no be our problem. Even Chelsea now said Todd Boyle said don't release £200 million for Tuchel to make him go buy player. So everybody they para now. Chelsea said I don't think Chelsea don't buy, but I know see Chelsea won't buy Raheem Sterling. Chelsea said they're interested in this Lisandro Martinez. And sure, the company are saying that we need scout players for all these guys. Anybody who won't buy, they will come put body say okay, I'll make a try to. But what it can surprise me for this season, I say the fact that we don't get Champions League football, yet we are still an attractive club for a lot of players who would like to join us. It shocked me. Our former Southampton and West Ham defender Jose Fonte said don't come as I call the talk say Arsenal supposed to be very excited about Fabio Vieira because the guy is a very young and exciting player. So Babaka said the guy is very talented on the ball and is very intelligent. Say you don't see where the boy they play. Say and the guy never reach in peak, he's just 22. The get. So even they look in leg frame. The guy, even there for ball like this, doing the twist and turn, you get. They use your body to take to advantage. The Arsenal will really enjoy it. And I like the fact, say, we bought a very good playmaker and we bought a very good finisher. You get. That is very, very key because you can't have a number 9 without a playmaker. You will suffer. You get. So now one of the things will affect Odegaard statistics last season. If to say all the chances where Odegaard they create, somebody they will they bust out. You go to say Odegaard will get very, very high assist ratio. People going to talk highly of Odegaard because no matter how good a number 10 you are, as long as you create chances and nobody they bust out, your assist charts will go high. And at the end of the day, you can't be like say you don't play anything at all. So I just be very, very happy so we don't get somebody in the mold of Gabriel Jesus. Imagine 2 men who sign. I don't know the time we will resign Smolina. See the men get Fabio Vieira, Gabriel Jesus. Imagine Rafinha coming in, Yuri Tillemans. Hey God, dude. Everywhere don't soft now. Our Man City and Leeds don't agree £45 million for Calvin Phillips. You get. But the pretty how this thing is significant to us. We say make on the reason say should this thing no go affect Rafinha because Rafinha and Calvin Phillips and them be like the 2 biggest names for Leeds. So I don't do you see Leeds selling like 2 of their biggest stars? That wouldn't be just the reason. So I don't know how it go be. Because Calvin Phillips said they good. No say Man City use and replace Fernandinho we don't retire. So no play again, get. So I don't know how this Rafinha will be. Well, we'll see the test our result with them now. Any way they go, I'm let you know. Even our monetary spirit they let us know say Arsenal they among a number of clubs say they interested in RC Lens midfielder wey they call Seko Fofana. You know, so everybody knows when they look for a new defensive midfield. So they look for Yuri Tillemans, they look for other people. So that don't ask Seko Fofana for the list. So and I see the guy picture, the guy that Africa, very black, very strong. Get. So whether Arsenal will finally go for the guy, I never really know. But more just the watch. But personally, I go prefer Yuri Tillemans any day, anytime. Make Arsenal go for that one. Our Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal they hold fresh talks with Lisandro Martinez agent, and he let us know this one for the Qui Palazzo podcast. And for them they let us know this one. But back also they talk say Manchester United also did for this deal because they need Lisandro Martinez. And they know what they want use and do without their own lineup. They get defenders already. But we need the guy very, very importantly. So Fabrizio say we don't come back of fresh talks. They don't talk before, we don't offer bids, they cancel them. So now we don't come back for fresh talks with the agents on the table. Say okay, what is the way out? As they agree a deal in principle with Man City for Jesus. Let us fight and agree a deal in principle with Ajax for Lisandro Martinez. So what is the way out? What fee will be requested or what fee will people need for us to make this deal happen? So that's how it will be. My monetary spirit again when they call now Arsenal, they come with one kind of news. This news like the first time why they report this now Arsenal news, so I don't gonna know how authentic it is. But they gave a good presence on social media. So the talk say Arsenal don't send a second offer of 70 million euros, which is about 55 million euros and 50 million euros in add-ons you get for Rafinha. How authentic this is, I don't really know. Take it with a pinch of salt. Remember saying that so many talk about Ben Jacobs, so come outside talk say they go sign Gabriel Jesus this and that. Once you take the picture of salt, later it come to pass. So this one too, just take the picture of salt for now. Then later we will see whether other people say go they post them or publish them, because sometimes a journalist can get a scoop, like an exclusive news for him alone. Now he go first break up before others will come and post the same thing. So for now, just take this one with a pinch of salt. It could be a scoop or an exclusive. Go just the watch. So Roberto said don't offer 70 million euros for Rafinha, 55 cash, then 15 in add-ons. So I never know whether it will happen or it will happen. Well, we'll just watch. In the coming days, things will be clearer. I'm a familiar setting for Talk Sports, so they're going to ask Jack Wilshere about Gareth Bale. Gareth Bale don't turn free agent from Real Madrid. So we're going to make Arsenal go sign up. So Wilshere going to talk, say no go make sense, make Arsenal go sign up, because where the guy go play, and then it's some kind of young players deal. And those young players go fit play for that place very well, so you go stunt their growth. Say Arsenal no need that, make the guy don't even near our side. I don't know how I see. How I think about Gareth Bale coming to Arsenal. And Fabrizio Romano self come outside, call the talk, say Arsenal will go very, very hard for Rafinha after they don't wrap Gabriel Jesus deal, because they're highly interested in the guy. They know say they don't get their first offer rejected, so now they're going back in a very strong manner, because they still need this guy to complement a Gabriel Jesus. Like they won't rejig the squad, get powerful bench, get, and that's how it's supposed to be. Remember why at the time in the past say on a good day you see somebody like Emil Smith Rowe, you see Martinelli, you see Saka. On a good day their name na Benjamin. Forget, you go dey compare some kind players with them. Actually you want to compare Rafinha or the flag to Emil Smith Rowe, dey whine me. So that's how it just be. So I never know how it go be. Arteta and I go decide how you go take set up the team. So that's how it just be. So if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And